All right, first milking of the season by hand for Mama. The babies are what, right at 2 months old. So we held the mamas overnight. They get full overnight, easy. So this is Harmony. Give her a little something, a little feed, make her happy. Harmony does all right. She normally doesn't try to kick, but it's better to go ahead and hold her. Ain't that right, Eli? Yeah. She does pretty good. She's gonna give us quite a bit probably in there. What do you think, Mama? How much is she gonna give us?
Enough.
Enough?
We'll milk all of her.
Look at that bag. Woohoo! So you said we're not gonna milk them out, right? You want to save some for the babies?
Even though they're big enough, but...
Yeah. This is Daisy. She's going to be next. And then Sarah. And there's Jane. Jane's wanting Mama right now. Yeah. Y'all's babies wanting y'all, huh? That's Harmony's boy right there. This is Daisy's girl. Well, both of the golden one and the chocolate one there are Daisy's girls, but I don't think one is in milk anymore, are you, girl? But that one's waiting on mamas, aren't you? Waiting on your mamas. And Ramona and her two are on up there. Ramona's not a good milker, so we're not gonna milk her. So she's got her babies up there. They've been fed. They had some feed. The sounds of a farm. We got them. Good gracious. It's been like 20 minutes since I was in here. That's all you got, woman? Oh my goodness. Okay. It hadn't been 20 minutes, has it? About a minute. So that's, what do you think? About a quarter of a bucket? Huh?
Something like that.
Something like that.
What, baby? What is it?
Are you out of food? Yeah, I'm out of food. So you said that's it?
That's all I'm doing.
That's all from Harmony.
There, but...
You see, that's sack. Plenty left for baby. Baby boy. And those other two if they want on it. You ready, Harmony? Daisy! Come on, girl. Come on, Daisy. Come on, you're next. Knows exactly what to do. You're a little shorter. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Woo! Little sack. She's short, so you gotta hold the bucket, huh? She's a Nigerian dwarf and Saanen mix. Well, that was quick. Didn't milk her all the way. Just got plenty there, huh? All right, now for Sarah. Where's Sarah? Come on, Sarah. Come on, girl. Oh, my goodness. Really? She knows what to do. She just didn't want to. What's that? Is her girl biting her?
She's a little dry.
Oh, she's dry. She's not as full, is she?
Oh, it's just...
She's got good udders, doesn't she, baby?
Yeah.
She's like a cow. Sarah, can you move for me? No? And we're done. We're done. Good milking session. Yep. Y'all want your babies? Y'all want your babies? All right. Go to your babies. It's cute when they call their babies. Except for you. Oh, there she goes. Mama, mama. Daisy's girl got on her. Look at her. That's as cute as can be. She has to lay down. She's almost the same size as her mama. Look at that. That is so cute. Laying down to get in there. Oh, 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 oh. He found mama. He found mama. He's like, Mama, I missed you all night. I missed you. Oh, look at him. Yeah, some cute stuff there. Cute, cute, cute. Jane didn't get on mama. She's eating grains with her instead. Hey, girl. Oh, wait. There she goes. There she goes. Ah, she's on it. I knew if I waited long enough, we'd see it. There it is. All three of them got on mamas. They all got on their mamas. There they are. Filtering the milk, letting it go in. How much did we get?
Like a gallon? What I
Oh, is that what you got?
Yeah.
That's all of it right there?
Yeah.
Not bad for a morning for us.
That's exactly what I wanted. I didn't want it
Huh?
anymore. I didn't want it anymore. This is what I wanted for the
Oh, I
morning.
thought you said that's not exactly what you wanted, but it
It's
was.
exactly what
Yeah.
I wanted.
Yeah, forgive the dirty kitchen. Maya hadn't got in here and done her job.
Maya.
There we go. Not bad for a morning. For us. Our first little go at it this morning anyway for the season. There we have it. From teat to fridge. Well, yeah, if you liked it, if you like watching these babies get their milk, if you like watching us milk, seeing what we do around here, subscribe. Come back, see us. We're going to be doing a lot more building farm animals. We had our big animal shelter is destroyed. Storm went through last night and ripped the roof off, so it's done. So we got to, and it's leaning. But anyway, we got to redo that or build one. Maybe I'll do a pallet one. I don't know, but that's going to take some roofing. Woo! Oh, I know where I can get some roofing. Might just do this. Little pallet barn of our own out here. It's got the structure already right there, so we'll see. Anyway, you'll come back, see us, visit us, share us, like us, subscribe. Hey, come visit us on Wednesday nights. We appreciate you guys watching. And hey, don't forget, be good, be blessed. We'll see you next time.